The first step is to open youtube.com. In YouTube, you will find various videos to watch. Check out one of these videos and play it on. The next step is to watch at least 30 seconds of the said video. The last step is to earn money. It is very easy. Let me show you these things. This is a list of payments made to various people from various locations on the planet. They are being paid for every single YouTube video that they have watched. You can earn $3 for watching one YouTube video. It would increase to $30 for screening 10 videos. If you increase it more and you watch 50 videos per day, you can make $150. Wait, there is more. You can keep watching videos for as long as you want, and you will get paid for doing it. This is absolutely free. Since YouTube is available anywhere, you can also watch and earn from anywhere on the globe. The only thing you need is a working laptop, a computer, or a cell phone. In this video, I will give you samples on how to earn using YouTube. So stay tuned and do not exit the video. A reminder before I share this YouTube hack, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the online money machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. Let's now proceed with our video. I will tell you how you can make up to $3 per video while streaming YouTube. The first step that you should do is to click the sign up button located at the upper right side of the screen. If you already have a YouTube account, that is good. But if you do not have an account yet, follow my instructions to create a free one. Since you do not have an account yet, press the Create Account on the screen. Then, you make a free Google account. After that, use the Google account to sign up on YouTube. When you are done, you can now log in to your YouTube account. When you open YouTube, you will notice that they have a list of the best videos on YouTube. On that YouTube section, all the top performing videos will appear. Videos about sports, music, news, games, and other topics that are currently trending will be placed on this YouTube section. Now, I will tell you a secret technique which everybody is keeping mum about. First, please click on the gaming category on the left side of the screen. Then, the page will get redirected and it will show you the videos that people are watching with regards to gaming. All these people do not have an idea on how they can earn money from watching. The case will be different for you because now I will tell you a hack on how you can earn from watching YouTube videos. This is also one of the ways that many people use to earn money from YouTube. The first secret that I will tell you is to direct all your interest on videos about the game Among Us. Recently, this is one of the most played games out there. Thus, it is really trending, especially on YouTube. As you can see, the viewers of these videos are continuously increasing. Since it is booming, you can clearly use this opportunity to earn money. Now, click on the Among Us thumbnail. Then, the page will reload to show you trending videos about Among Us. There are tons of people live streaming their games right now. You should choose one of these videos. For example, Let us watch this one. It will take us to the live stream video of the streamer. We can also see that there are a lot of viewers currently watching it. Since a lot of people are watching, the demand for this video is high. Thus, this is a good opportunity to make some money online. Continue watching this video to know how you can earn money from YouTube videos. Again, you can do this process over and over again because there are tons of videos from this category. Now that you already have a video in mind, we will proceed to the second website that we will use. In a new tab, search for 7r6.com. The link is presented on the screen right now. On this website, the URL of the videos will be shortened. After shortening the URL, you can earn from it. It may look complicated, but the process is easier than it seems. Also, there are only a few people who know about this. Thus, there is less competition and you can make more money out of it. Before I continue, do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Now let us proceed. The idea is really simple. You just need to create a free account on 7r6.com. After that, you can now shorten URL links of various YouTube videos. I will demonstrate how to do that in a few seconds. There is a next step after shortening URLs. The next step is how you will be able to use these URLs to make money. Before that, I will quickly show you an example of how it works. So, we have already chosen the video that we want to use. It is now streaming. Under the video, you will see the share button. Click it and it will show you the URL link of this particular video. You will copy the link by clicking the copy button on its side. After doing this, we will proceed to the page of 7r6.com. In this page, you will see a space where you can paste the link. Put the link on this space. Then, press this little button. The website will automatically shorten the URL of the video. It will generate another link for this video. You will earn money when people click the generated link. This is how other people earn a huge amount of money from YouTube. You can cash out your money through PayPal or other payment options. To do this, proceed to the home page. Then, press the sign up button. It will reload to a page where you can create a brand new membership. Reminder, the registration process is absolutely free. Furthermore, it is also available from anywhere in this world. You will input your chosen username, email address, and password in this page. Also, make sure to agree to the set of terms and privacy policy of the page. After doing these things, press the register button. Once you're done with the registration process, you can now log in to your account. After you log in, you will see the dashboard of the page. This is how it would look. The next procedure is to locate this button on top. Click the new shorten link. After this, the page will show the part where we would put the copied URL. When it is shown already, go to youtube.com and copy the video's link by pressing the share button. The link will pop up. Just click copy. Then, go back to the page of 7r6.com. Place the link on the box and push the shortened button. The page will process the link and afterwards, it will show you the new shortened version of the URL. For the third step, proceed to the YouTube page again. Then, do the same process of finding a video, copying its link, and pasting it on the dashboard. Do this 3 times. However, you can continue increasing the number of videos to also increase the money that you can create. As for the tip, I have already told you to focus on this specific niche. You will earn a lot of money from this. Aside from that, please use live stream videos only. Here is an example. Click this video right here. It will direct me to a different live stream video. As you can see, there are tons of people watching this. Thus, you can earn a lot from this video. Again, use the same technique that I told you about. Get the YouTube link in the share button, then paste it on the 7r6.com's dashboard. You will press the shorten button, then voila! This is the second URL that we are able to shorten. Again, do the same technique using a link from another live stream video. After this, I am now going to teach you the last procedure. You will proceed to the link of steamcommunity.com. This website is a platform for the gaming community. In this site, gamers and other people are talking about the effective techniques that they can use in playing various games. To earn money from steamcommunity.com, you should sign up for an account. After signing up in the Steam community, find the trend, create a post, and share the shortened URL. After that, you will make money every time someone will click the link that you posted. So every click matters as you will earn money from it. You could make hundreds or thousands of dollars just by sharing a YouTube video. Again, this is the technique that a lot of people use to earn money. They are doing this around the world and it is being streamed everywhere. Thus, you can really earn money from watching YouTube videos. Again, this is the online money machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.